Hello friends, in this problem a triangle is given and this triangle is ACB and this is a right angle triangle, so that this angle is 90 degree and there is a circle inside this triangle and this circle is touching to this triangle at point E, at point F and at point D. This means this side is tangent to the circle. Similarly, BC is tangent to the circle and AC is also tangent to the circle. Now perimeter of this triangle is given, that is 126 unit, and the radius of circle is also given, that is 10 unit. We have to find the side lengths, that is what is the length of AC, what is length of BC and what is the length of AB. Now to solve this problem, I will use a theorem, and that theorem says if you draw two tangents from external point to the circle, the length of two tangents are equal. For example, in this case, B is the external point and from B we have a tangent BF and another tangent is BD. So length of this tangent is equal to length of this tangent. This means BF is equals to BD. So let's call this length as X. Now similarly, this is another point. So this is one tangent and this is another tangent. So from this external point, two tangents have been drawn to this circle. This means this length is equal to this length. Let us call this length as y. Now this is the center of this circle. Let's connect this center to the point of contact. Now this line is tangent to the circle. This means this makes an angle 90 degree with the radius. So this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. And this is 10 unit because radius is given. So this is 10 unit and this is 10 unit. So radius is 10 unit and the angle is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree because this is a right angle triangle. So now what about this angle? This angle will be 90 degree because sum of all the angles is equals to 360 degree. So we already have 270. So this angle will be 90 degree. This means this is a square because this side and this side is equal and all the angles are equal. This means this length is 10 unit and this length is also 10 unit. So now I know this length and this length. Now I have to find X and Y. Then I can find this side and this side. So there are two unknowns. So we need to have two equations. The first equation will come from the perimeter is 126. So what is the perimeter? So this side is x plus y, this side is y plus 10 and this side is x plus 10. So if I add all this will be equal to 126. So this is x plus x, 2x, 2y and 20. So this is 2x plus 2y plus 20 equals to 126. And if you divide both sides by 2, so this becomes x plus y, and take 20 this side, so this is 106 divided by 2, this is 53. So let's call this as equation 1. Now I need another equation. From where that equation will come? That equation will come from the fact that this is a right angle triangle. This means AC square plus BC square, this is equals to AB square. So let's use this. This is coming from Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem in ABC triangle, I can say that is AC square plus BC square equals to AB square, that is hypotenuse square. Now what is AC? AC is y plus 10. What is BC? X plus 10. And what is this AC? AB? This is x plus y. So let us plug all this value. So this is y plus 10 whole square, this is x plus 10 whole square and this is x plus y whole square. Now I will use a formula, and the formula is a plus b whole square. This is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I will expand each term. So if I expand, this becomes y square plus 2y, that is 2ab. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2ab will become 2 times y times 10, that is 20y. and b square is 100. Similarly, this is x square plus 20x plus 100, and this is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now you can cancel x square and y square. So this is x square and y square, both sides we have, so we can cancel. So what is left on the left hand side? So we have 20x plus 20y plus 200. So this is 20x plus 20y plus 200, and this side is 2xy. So basically I have taken 20 common, so I can say 20 times x plus y plus 200 is equals to 2xy. Now let us plug the value of x plus y from equation 1. X plus y equals to 53. So I can plug this value here. So 20 times 53 plus 200 equals to 2xy, and if you divide by 2, then this becomes xy. This is equals to 630. So this is my equation 2. So now I have two equations. The first equation is x plus y equals to 53, and the second equation is xy equals to 630. So now I have two equations and two unknown. We can always solve. So let us plug the value of y from equation 1 into equation 2. So what will the value of y? Y will be 53 minus x, because you can take x to the right hand side. So this becomes 53 minus x. Now from equation 2 I can write x times 53 minus x, which is the value of y. This is equals to 630. Now if I expand, that is multiply by x, so this becomes 53x minus x square. This is equals to 630. I can rearrange these terms. So this becomes, I can take this x square to the right hand side. So this becomes plus 53x becomes negative plus 630 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Now if you remember, if you have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, the root of this equation is given by minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac and a square root of that term divided by 2a. In this case, a equals to 1, b equals to minus 53, and c equals to 630. So let us find the root using that formula for this quadratic equation. So minus b, so minus of 53 will become plus 53 plus minus a square root. This is minus b square, that is 53 square, minus 4ac, so 4 times a is 1 and c is 630 divided by 2 into 1, 2a. So if you solve this, so this will be, if you simplify this, this will be 289. So there should be a correction. This is 289. So 53 plus minus a square root 289 divided by 2, and a square root of 289 is 17. So if you take the plus sign, this is 53 plus 17, that is 70, that is 70 divided by 53 plus 17 is 70 divided by 2, that is 35. And similarly 53 minus 70, that is 36 divided by 2, which is equals to 18. So now I have two roots for this equation. The first root is 35 and another root is 18. Now once I know x, I can calculate y, and y is what? From this equation, y equals to 53 minus x. So when I put x equals to 35, y will be 18, and when I put x equals to 18, y will be 35. So now I know the value of x and y. So basically two sets of value. The first set is 35, when x is 35, y is 18, and when x is 18, y is 35. Once I know x and y, I can calculate side length. What is AC? This is y plus 10. And what is BC? That is x plus 10. And what is AB? That is x plus y. So we can now calculate the side lengths. So this will be 35 plus 10, that is 45, and this will be 18 plus 10, that is 28, and AB will be x plus y, that is x plus y is 53, so this is 53. So this is one possible answer, and the second possible answer will be 18 plus 10, that is 28, 35 plus 10, that is 45, and the other side will be 53. Now see, these two sides or these two pair of solution basically saying that you can basically either have 45 this or you can have 45 this. So there are two possibilities, because you can have two triangles, one with 45 as AC, another with 28 as AC, and BC will correspondingly change. But the AB will remain same. AB is 53 in both cases. I hope you enjoyed this problem, and if you like these videos, please share with your friends and like on my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.